ETA Medical past paper as short MCQs. Consider the reaction 2x plus y, it will produce x2y. It takes place in two steps as x plus y will produce xy, that is the fast step of a reaction. X plus xy will produce x2y, that is the slow step of a reaction. The rate equation for the reaction is, there are four formulas given for the rate equation. Now we know that the rate equation can be written for a slow step, or we can say that a slow step is the rate determining step of a reaction. So among these two steps, the second step is the slow step, that is x plus xy will produce x2y. So rate equation will be written for this slow step, and the rate equation is rate is equal to K and the concentration raised to the power their coefficients. So concentration of reactant here is X and XY. So among these options X and XY and their coefficients are only 1, 1. So the option B is the correct answer. Which one of the following is the percentage of nitrogen by mass in nitric acid? 12.3%, 22.2, 31.5, 34.6. So we will solve it. First we will calculate the molecular weight of nitric acid that contain hydrogen, nitrogen and 3 oxygen. So weight of hydrogen is 1, weight of nitrogen is 14 and weight of oxygen is 16. So here the 3 oxygen are given, so 16 multiplied by 3 will result in 48. So we will get 63 gram. Now we will find the mass percentage of each of these nitrogen, hydrogen and oxygen. So we will get, for hydrogen we will get 1.56 because 1 gram is weight of hydrogen, 63 gram is the weight of nitric acid, multiply by 100 because we will find it in percentage. So we will get 1.5. Similarly for nitrogen we will get 22.2 and for oxygen we get 76.19. Now the question is about nitrogen. So the weight percentage of nitrogen is 22.2%. So the option B is the correct answer. In copper sulfate with 5 water molecules, the number of water molecule linked to copper ion by coordinate bond is 2, 5, 4, 1. So we will look at the information table. In copper sulfate with 5 water molecule, copper plus 2 ion is coordinated with 4 water molecule and the 5th one water molecule will form hydrogen bond with the oxygen of sulfate. So if we look at the figure, here the copper is coordinated with 4 water molecule and the 5th one water molecule will form hydrogen bond with the oxygen of sulfate, that is the part of this salt. So it will form hydrogen bond and the 4 water molecule will be coordinated with copper ion. So the question is about copper ion. Copper ion will attach with 4 water molecule through coordinate bond. So the answer is 4. At equilibrium state, exothermic reaction are favored to the forward direction by heating, cooling, compression, adding reactant. So we will look at the Le-chatlier principle. According to this principle, if a system in equilibrium is disturbed by changing the temperature of the system, by adding reactants or by changing the pressure of the system, it will shift in that direction in order to compensate that change. So here the exothermic reaction are given. This means that the heat is lost from the system. So A plus B, this is general reaction, it will produce AB and heat is lost. If we heat the system, by heating it will go in the backward direction in order to compensate the heat, because the heat amount will be increased and it will be disturbed and it will go in the backward direction. However, if we cool the system at equilibrium in exothermic state, it will go in the forward direction because here the heat is lost. So the answer will be the cooling. Cooling the system, it will go in the forward direction. For more videos, please subscribe the channel.